Hello everyone, welcome to a video on astrology. Today in this video, we will see about the various combination for a person to become an actor. For a person to become an actor, to shine in the cine field, the planet Venus should be placed well, should be strong, should be associated with benefics, and the fifth house, which indicates fame and creativity, should be unafflicted and should be placed or aspected by benefics, and also the ascendant, which determines the personality of a person, should also be unafflicted. So here we have an horoscope. This is the horoscope of a very famous actor in South India. It's the horoscope of Rajinikanth. So here in this horoscope, the ascendant is Simha Lagna, that is Leo ascendant. We can see that the lord of the 10th house is Venus, and Venus is there in the 5th house, which is the house of entertainment and creativity. Venus also denotes art, enjoyment, entertainment. So the lord of the 10th house indicates career, and the lord of the 10th house itself is in the 5th house, which is a very good combination. And the Lagna lord, Sun, is in the 4th place in the Rasi chart, but in the Bhava chart, Sun is in the 5th house. So this is also a very good combination because the Lagna Lord itself is in the 5th house, which will make the person much more creative, involved in whatever the profession that he is undertaking. And also the Lord of the 11th house. 11th house indicates income, and the second house indicates wealth. So even that is connected with the Lord of the 10th house, Venus. And we can find that in the Navamsha chart, Venus is in its own house, and this is also adding more strength to Venus. And we can see that the ascendant is aspected by Jupiter from the 7th house. So this makes the personality of the person to get more fame, to reach the greater heights, because for a person to become a celebrity, the ascendant should be very good, and Jupiter being the number one benefic and also the lord of the 5th house is aspecting the ascendant. This makes the person a very good personality. And the other aspects such as beauty, style, speed, everything is bestowed by Jupiter as well as the 8th house aspect of Mars. Because some of you might know Rajinikanth is an actor appreciated by his fans because of his style and speed. So the planet that indicates speed is Mars, and it is aspecting the ascendant through its 8th house aspect, and overall Jupiter gives him a very good high status and fame through its 7th house aspect over the ascendant. This is the horoscope of a very famous actress, and this person in later part of life became a very big political leader, was also the chief minister of Tamil Nadu. Here you can find that the lord of the 5th house, Venus itself, is exalted in the 10th house. Though 5th house is spoiled by the presence of Ketu, the lord of the 5th house is placed so good, and the ascendant is also aspected by a strong Jupiter. Jupiter is in its Mula Trikona here, and it is aspecting the ascendant by its 7th house aspect, as we have seen in the previous horoscope. So the condition is actually whatever the conditions that we set is fulfilled. That is, Venus is strong, Jupiter, a benefic, is aspecting the ascendant, which makes a very good personality to a stardom actress. And also the fifth house, though as Ketu, the lord of the fifth house is very strong here. And here, this is the horoscope of Amitabh Bachchan. The lord of the 10th house, Mars, is connected with Venus. And Venus, though it's debilitated, Venus is very strong in the Navamsa in its own sign. And even in the Dasamsa chart, Venus is in its own sign. So this makes Amitabh Bachchan an all India superstar. And one more point here to note is that Jupiter is in 0.5 degree of Cancer. So Jupiter in the Bhava chart is here in the fifth house, which is in the fifth house, which indicates fame, and this is an exalted Jupiter. And this Jupiter aspects the ascendant also, and the Amitabh Bachchan remains a very famous actor throughout his life. And here, this is the horoscope of the ex Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Dr. MGR, and he was a very famous actor, followed by lakhs of fans, even crores of fans. Here in this horoscope, the ascendant is Virgo, Kanya Lagna, and the ascendant is aspected by a very strong Jupiter, a seventh house aspect, which makes him a very famous personality, a very celebrated actor. And the fifth house has Venus, Mercury, and Rahu. And the lord of the 10th house is in conjunction with Venus, and the fifth house is also benefic, though the presence of Rahu. Rahu in Capricorn is quite comfortable. And one more thing to note is that the Parivartana between Mercury and Saturn. So the lord of the 10th house is connected with the 10th house itself, though it is in the 5th house. And Saturn is in the 10th house, has a connectivity over the 5th house. And there is also a conjunction between the lord of the 9th and the 10th house, which forms a Dharma Karmatipati Yoga. And as you also know that MGR has done several good things in the for the welfare of the people in the cine industry also. So the lord of the 9th house it's Venus, and the lord of the 10th house is Mercury. Venus is also the significator for career in film industry, and it is connected with the 10th house Mercury. So this is a very good combination actually. And the presence of Venus, Mercury, and Rahu in the 5th house made Mr. MGR as a very good actor. Not only these four horoscopes, in any of an actor or an actress horoscope, you can find that the 5th house, the planet Venus, and the ascendant should be associated with a benefic in any way, so that the person will remain in cine field for a very long period of time and remain in the hearts of the people, because we see a number of many cinema stars coming out and they will disappear in very short span of time. So to retain a fame for a very long period of time, the ascendant should be very well placed, and fifth house also should be very good, which determines fame also. And the fifth house, which determines the creativity, should be good, and the same fifth house is also responsible for fame. So the planet Venus should be placed in a very comfortable sign, or should be exalted, or should be at least in a friendly sign, and the ascendant should be unafflicted without the presence of malefics like Saturn or Mars, and the ascendant should have some benefic or at least an aspect by the benefic planet, and the fifth house should be unafflicted. Even if in some cases, if the fifth house is afflicted, the lord of the fifth house should be very strong so that it is able to compensate the affliction of the fifth house. So these three combinations required for a person to become an actor and retain the position, and also have a very large fan base for a very long period of time. So this is what I want to share, and If you have any doubts, leave it in the comment section. I will answer them for you whenever I find time. Thank you.